MacBook users, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to find both your local and public IP addresses. It's useful for understanding your network setup and ensuring smooth connectivity. So first let's find your local IP. So for that you have to just open the terminal on your MacBook, and if you're not sure where to find it, it's just click command space and type terminal and see your local IP address. For this you will have one command like ifconfig for the users who are being using Unix and who are using Linux, like Unix based systems basically. So after entering it, we are gonna see a lot of interfaces from which we have to see the EN0 interface, which is specifically for the Wi-Fi. And okay, so here it is, the EN0 interfaces which have status active. Okay, and also this is our local IP address with the net mask given, and also the broadcast address is also given. So most of you will have some questions like, if I have to see the public IP address, means which is connected by the means of Wi-Fi, so how can I see that? For that there's a one command called ifconfig.me. After that you are going to see the IP address, but this is the IPv6 address. If you want to see the IP v4 address, for that you will just have to write -4 in between that. After entering it, you are gonna see the public Wi-Fi address, public IP address of the Wi-Fi, which is being provided by your internet service.